I mean, I don't know, because I don't do all of that sort of stuff and I'm going to be cremated, but they're all like all clustered, you know, their families. It's an old one, 1925, 1920.
Looks like 3 people buried in that one.
Yeah. Burnett's. That's a Masonic mark. That's he was like a Masonic Mason.
Wow, lots of Burnett's.
Yeah, I mean, probably been here the whole time, you know. Yeah, that's a nice one.
$1865?
Is it 18 or 19? Oh, I saw his on there, on the printout. No, we did this half. Remember you saw that one? And this here? The PVC cross, or not the PVC, the galvanized cross. I'm getting ready to run out of battery here, so let's we're on row 7, so unless you don't want to walk it, we'll just walk through, and when I run out of battery, I'll see if the battery is charged up enough. Yeah, a lot of people did the pipe. And the wood. I wonder if that was
something obvious
to let them down in there. You know, who knows?
These look like little plaques.
Yep. They got other little nipper bottles on there.
1898 to 19 something. I can't read it.
Huh. Yeah. Well, these I'm not gonna, unless something catches my eye, I'm just gonna sort of walk. Yeah, we'll just sort of walk through. There's that one. There's another one like that over there.
Yeah, I saw it.
Just doesn't have the cross on it. Quite a few people buried here. Look at, I like these, the horseshoes.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Wow.
Yeah, lots of them in that family plot.
Scorpion. Scorpion got him.
Oh, wow. It's like all those Boot Hill graves where they're like, you know, he tried to do this and this happened, you know?
Well, that was a young grave because it was 1920 to 1920, so. Little baby.
Yeah. When we get back, I gotta switch out a battery.
Wow, look at those colorful rocks. Oh, I know I saw it.
Little gopher. Well, Ralph Holla, World War II. Clayton Krantz, U.S. Army, World War II, Purple Heart. Loving mother and grandmother, the Horan family, Glovers. Gore. Lots of veterans here. Air Corps, World War II. Lewis Clell Chambers. And then up here, there's a lot of veterans. These are family plots. This family plot is full. 2022. World War II. Busenbark. All the Schmitz. Rosalie. Leonard, World War II. Willard Martin, World War II. Wow. Robert Spinney, World War II Colonel. Yeah. Lots of patriots here. Frederick Thurman, World War II. Billy Louise McDonald Lally, private in the Army, World War II. Ruth McCubbin, World War II. Raymond Alex. Harris, Benjamin Harris, World War II. Garrett, is that Nazarod, Army, World War II. William Day, World War II. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. A lot of, I don't know. That greatest generation just really, you know. I mean, because these guys, I mean, I guess maybe that was legit, right? Lloyd Blackwell.
1899 to 1976.
I'm gonna go. I need to